Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Fluent Growth Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Angela. I am feeling very happy and very energetic.
Hi, Angela. Hello, everyone. It is so wonderful to be here with you today. That is great to hear. I'm very happy today, too. The weather is beautiful. Look at the sun.
Oh, yes, the sun is shining. It is a very bright day. It makes me want to smile all the time.
Me too. A sunny day is a good day.
But, George, before we start our big conversation, we have to talk to our friends.
Ah, yes, our wonderful listeners. Hello, everyone. We are so glad you are here with us. If you like our chats, please click the like button right now. It is a small click, but it helps us so much.
Yes, exactly. And please subscribe to the Fluent Growth Channel. We want to make many podcasts for you to learn English. And do not forget to share this with your friends or your family. If they want to speak English, they can listen to us.
Yes, share the fun. Okay, Angela, what is our topic for today?
Today, George, we are talking about life. Simple life. The small things we do every day that make us happy.
Oh, I love that topic. Life can be busy and difficult, but the small things are very important.
Yes, they are. We often forget the small things. So today, let's talk about our daily habits and simple joys.
Great. Let's start at the beginning of the day, the morning. Angela, what is the first thing you do in the morning?
Well, first I open my eyes and I smile. I say, today is a good day.
Wow, that is very positive, Angela. I usually just want to sleep for 10 more minutes.
I know that feeling. But then I go to the kitchen. I need my favorite thing. Can you guess?
Is it coffee?
Yes, exactly. I love the smell of coffee in the morning. It is a warm, delicious smell. I put a little milk in it, but no sugar.
Ah, I like sugar in my coffee. I like it sweet. But I agree, the smell of coffee is the best way to start the day. It makes the house feel cozy.
Yes, cozy is a perfect word. I sit by the window with my cup. I look at the trees and the birds. It is very quiet.
That sounds very peaceful. I think having a quiet moment is a very good tip for everyone. In the morning, the world is still.
It is. It helps my brain wake up. What about you, George?
Do you eat a big breakfast? I do. I am always hungry in the morning. I eat eggs and toast and sometimes an orange. I love fruit. Fruit is very good for you. It gives you energy. I think eating a good breakfast is a simple way to have a better day.
Yes.
If I don't eat, I get hangry. Do you know that word, Angela? Hungry and angry.
Yes, I know that word. It is very funny.
So breakfast is important for peace.
Exactly.
And after breakfast, I like to move my body. I don't go to the gym because the gym is hard for me, but I walk. Walking is fantastic. Do you walk in the park?
Yes, there's a small park near my house. I walk for 20 minutes. I see the green grass and the flowers. It is very simple, but it makes me feel strong.
I think that is a great tip for our listeners. You don't need a gym, just a walk. It helps your body and your mind.
Yes, it does. And sometimes I see my neighbor, Mr. Wilson. He's 80 years old and he walks every day too.
Wow, good for him. Do you talk to him?
I do. I say, hello, Mr. Wilson, how are you today? And he says, I am wonderful, George. Talking to people is another simple joy.
I agree. A small hello can make someone's day better. We talked about this in our confidence episode, right? A smile and a hello are powerful.
They are. It makes the world feel friendly.
Angela, what do you do when you feel a little stressed during the day? Maybe at work.
That is a good question. When I have too much work, I stop. I take a deep breath, like this.
Ah, I can feel the relaxation.
Yes, and I drink a big glass of water. Water is so simple, but often we forget to drink it. It helps me focus.
That is true. My doctor always says, George, drink more water. I think I will drink some water right now. Much better.
Good job! Another thing I do is listen to music. When I am working, I listen to quiet music. But when I am cleaning my house, I listen to happy, fast music.
Do you dance when you clean, Angela?
Maybe a little. It makes the cleaning fun. I don't like cleaning, but I love music, so I combine them.
That is a smart idea, making a boring job fun with music. I do that when I wash the dishes. I sing very loudly.
Oh no, George. Poor neighbors.
Hey, I am a good singer. Well, maybe not, but it makes me happy, and not is what matters.
Exactly. Life is about finding those moments of happiness, even in the dishes.
Yes. So we have coffee, walking, talking to neighbors, water, and music. What about the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I like to learn something new, even if it is just for 10 minutes. I read a book or I watch a video about history. I love history. Learning keeps our brains young. For our listeners, listening to this podcast is a great way to learn.
Yes, and it doesn't have to be hard. Just 10 minutes a day of English is better than 3 hours once a week. That is a very important tip. Consistency, doing a little bit every day.
Yes, consistency. That is a big word, but a simple idea. It's like a plant. You give it a little water every day and it grows.
I like that. I have a plant on my desk. Her name is Lucy. She is very green and happy.
You named your plant Lucy. That is so cute.
Yes, talking to Lucy is very relaxing. She is a very good listener. She never interrupts me.
Oh, George, you are so funny. But plants do make a home feel better. Nature is important.
It is. Even a small plant in a small apartment. It brings life inside. Let's talk about friends and family.
In my life, a simple joy is calling my mother. We talk for 5 minutes every day.
Every day. That is very nice, Angela.
Yes, we don't talk about big things. We talk about the weather or what she cooked for dinner. But it makes me feel connected.
Connection is a human need. We need to feel that people love us. I try to text my friends a funny picture or a joke every week.
That is great. It says, I am thinking of you. It's a small gesture, but it is very big for friendship.
Yes, and sometimes we meet for a simple dinner, not an expensive restaurant, just pizza at home.
I love pizza nights. No fancy clothes, no stress, just friends and good food. And maybe a movie.
Yes, a funny movie. Laughing with friends is the best medicine.
It really is. I feel so much better after a good laugh. My stomach hurts, but my heart is happy.
My heart is happy.
I love that, George. Okay, so the sun is going down. It is evening. What is your evening routine, Angela?
In the evening, I try to turn off my phone. This is very hard.
Oh, I know. The phone is always there. Bing, bing. Notifications everywhere.
Yes, but the blue light from the phone is bad for sleep. So, 1 hour before bed, I put my phone in the kitchen.
In the kitchen? That is brave, Angela.
It is. But then I read a real book, a paper book. I love the feeling of the paper.
I agree. And it helps the eyes relax. I like to take a warm shower in the evening. It makes my muscles feel soft and ready for sleep.
A warm shower is like a hug for your body.
Yes. And I think about 3 things that were good today. Even if the day was hard, I find 3 small good things.
Oh, like a gratitude list.
Yes, gratitude.
For example, today, 1, this coffee. 2, this conversation with you, Angela. 3, the blue sky.
That is beautiful, George. It changes your focus from what is wrong to what is right.
Exactly. It helps me sleep with a peaceful mind. Sleep is so important too. A simple life needs good sleep. I try to sleep for 8 hours.
8 hours? I try, but sometimes it is 6. But you're right. When I sleep more, I am a nicer person.
Me too. When I'm tired, I'm a little grumpy.
Grumpy, another good word, like a small bear.
Yes, so simple habits like sleep and gratitude make us better people. This is also interesting. We don't need a lot of money to be happy. We just need to look at our day differently.
Yes, happiness is in the coffee, the walk, the friend, and the book. It is right here.
Wow, Angela, I feel very inspired now. I want to go give Lucy some water and then call my brother.
That is a perfect plan, George. Our conversation today was very relaxing.
It was. I hope our listeners feel relaxed too. It's good to remember that life is beautiful in the small moments.
Yes, it is. Well, George, we talked about a lot of things today. Should we remember the main points together?
Oh, yes. Let's see. We talked about the morning. You mentioned your coffee and looking at the birds. That was the first thing.
Yes. And you talked about your breakfast and your walk in the park. Movement is so important for the day, right?
And we can't forget Mr. Wilson and the importance of saying hello to our neighbors. Small social moments are great.
And we talked about drinking water and listening to music to make work or cleaning more fun.
And singing. Don't forget singing while washing the dishes.
Oh, how could I forget? And we also talked about learning a little bit every day. Like Lucy the plant. We need a little water to grow.
Yes, and the importance of connecting with family and friends. A simple phone call or a pizza night.
And finally, the evening. Turning off the phone, reading a book, and being grateful for the good things in our day.
It is a simple list, but it is a very happy list.
It is. I hope everyone can try one of these things today.
Yes, just one. Maybe drink a glass of water or smile at a neighbor.
That is a great goal. Well, everyone, thank you so much for being with us today on Fluent Growth Channel.
Yes, thank you. It was a real pleasure. Before you go, we have a small question for you.
Oh, yes. In the comments below, please tell us, what is one small thing that makes you happy? Is it coffee? Is it a walk? Is it your pet? Tell us. We love to read your stories.
And please, if you enjoyed this chat, subscribe to the channel and give us a like. Share it with your friends. Let's grow our Fluent Growth family together.
Thank you, George. This was fun.
Thank you, Angela. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.